Hello, I'm Michael Kirichenko. You are watching SkyWay News, where we report on the developments and implementation of breakthrough transport technologies. From today's issue, you will learn about the progress in the construction of SkyWay Innovation Center in Sharjah and facilities in Belarus, about the current stage in production of SkyWay rolling stock, as well as about a Hollywood star's visit to SkyWay EcoTechnoPark. And now, more details about all this. The following volumes of work have been performed at the construction of SkyWay Innovation Center in Sharjah over the past week. Concreting of reinforcement cage and anchor unit on roof slabs at both anchor supports of the first line. Before and after it, the staff of SkyWay Technologies Company have conducted final acceptance of preparatory stage and control of concreting roof slabs on anchor supports, the most important element of the entire structure. Carrier plates of anchor supports combined with passenger stations were filled with concrete on Tuesday. Therefore, in a few days, when the formwork is removed, the builders will begin the most important part of work, installation of pre-stressed flexible string rail track structure of sagging type. First of all, they will begin installation of anchor units that are designed for a horizontal load of 250 tons due to pre-tensioning of strings as well as temperature differences and wind impact. They carried out geodesic control of all build structures in the planned and high-altitude positions, as well as geodesic survey of access at the second test section. Planning work on the site continues. About 120,000 cubic meters of soil, sand, have already been laid and compacted with water. The site of SkyWay Innovation Center should be planned in accordance with the layout concepts of the Technology Park at the American University of Sharjah. And it happened so that our center turned out to be located in the lowest and most uneven part of the park. Therefore, the main part of the soil was delivered from a sandpit. An even larger amount of excavation work is to be done in the near future. Let's proceed with the progress in the construction of SkyWay Technology Developer Company's facilities in Belarus. As planned, construction of production facilities is underway in the Free Economic Zone Minsk, in the village of Karalishevichi and Selitskaya Street, where finishing works and laying of internal engineering systems go on. In SkyWay EcoTechnoPark in Marina Gorka, upgrading of the first 1 kilometer long section is close to completion. It is needed for tests with a new type of rolling stock. Work continues on the construction of the anchor support at the second rigid track structure of truss type, the 6th string rail overpass in Marina Gorka, on which they are working out designing, engineering and technological solutions required for implementation of SkyWay projects in countries with a hot climate, presently in the United Arab Emirates. Preparatory work has been completed before laying asphalt covering on the road running through the entire EcoTechnoPark. It will be laid next week. Now briefly about the stage of the SkyWay rolling stock creation. The final assembly of the passenger module and traction bogie of presently the lightest SkyWay vehicle first prototype is being carried out. Its premiere will take place during EcoFest 2019. Glasses are glued in, doors are installed, and the passenger module is being prepared for design figuration, harness laying, installation of handles, hand railings, and a loudspeaker. As regards the traction bogie, the frame was assembled, the wheel and frame of fairings are mounted. At this moment, intermediate assembly and fitting of plastic fairings are in progress. Then they will be sent to pre-painting preparation with painting to follow. Work on preparation of high-speed unibars for commissioning is nearing completion. Fully assembled traction bogies are installed on the vehicle frame. Fitting of exterior panels is fully completed and now they are at the stage of painting. Energy storage was assembled, tested and installed. I was about to say flux capacitor because what we have now is just fantastic. At the moment, installation of electrical equipment and laying of cable tracks and harnesses are in process. It is planned to complete installation and commutation of electrical equipment one of these days. After that, startup and commissioning works will begin on the territory of a Special Design and Technology Bureau with pilot production. Last Saturday, after the fifth news release, a famous American actor, Steven Seagal, visited SkyWay EcoTechnoPark. According to him, they desire to devote more time to such projects with the purpose to make the world better, as well as to contribute to the increase in the number of like-minded people, was the main reason for his visit to EcoTechnoPark, a tour of which was conducted by Nadezhda Kosareva, General Director of SkyWay Technologies Company. Guests took a ride in the Unicar, highly appreciating its comfort, driving performance and magnificent views of surrounding nature from the window of the SkyWay electric rail car. The actor showed great interest in SkyWay and Spaceway projects, gratefully accepting a gift from the General Director of the company, the English edition of Anatoly Yunitsky's monograph, String Transport Systems on Earth and in Space. Such is our traditional brief report on the progress in the development of SkyWay technology over the past week. Follow the updates of the official SkyWay website, sign up to SkyWay YouTube channel, support our projects. After all, our reality is more interesting than fantasies from Hollywood. Build SkyWay, save the planet.